Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm fine,
Good
thank you.
morning, ma'am.
I hope
Good
all of you are
morning,
doing good too.
ma'am. How are you, ma'am? How
I'm
are
fine,
you,
thank you,
ma'am?
thank you. Can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday we finished the whole story, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, a little different from how we usually summarize. Let's draw and summarize the story today. Can we do that?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Wait a minute. Can you see the board?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now the name of our chapter is
Tiger stripe.
Tiger Stripes. Okay. So what is the first thing that happens in the story?
Tiger stripes are missing.
Missing. Very good. Very good. So the
Tiger
stripes
stripes
are,
are missing. Ma'am,
yes.
you can write.
No need. Don't write. Don't write. Don't write. Just look at the board. I don't want anybody to write. Stripes are missing.
Stripes are
Okay.
missing.
And then what happens? What happens?
Angry.
Yes, the tiger becomes angry.
A tiger
Okay.
becomes angry.
And when the tiger becomes angry, what happens? No, when the tiger becomes angry, something happens in the jungle.
All animals
All the animals become very scared. Yes. Very good, very good. Okay, and when the animals become scared, somebody wants to help the tiger. Who is that? Tiggy. And what does Tiggy do? Where does Tiggy go? Hmm. Okay, Tiggy asks Bruno and he goes to the old woman. Yes. Tiggy goes to the old woman. See, I don't want anybody to write. Just listen to me. Tiggy goes to the old woman. Okay. And what does the old woman give him? Magic powder. Very good. And what does Tiggy do with the magic powder? Sprinkles it on the tiger. Very good. And then what happens? Tiger stripes come back. Okay. And then what happens in the jungle? All the animals are overjoyed. Yes. So everybody has understood the story. Everybody has understood the story. Okay. Now let me ask a few questions. Only those names I call out will answer. Okay?
Yes.
I don't want everybody answering together. If everybody answers, please, who is that screaming in between? When the class is going on, please do not talk to your parents. Please listen here. If you disturb, all others will get disturbed. Okay, the first question is to Prarthana. Prarthana? Prarthana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Prarthana, who was terribly angry in the forest?
Tiger.
Tiger. Very good. Very good. Okay. And the next question is to Stain. Stain, can you hear me? Okay, there is no response from Stain. Farmis?
Yes.
Farmis, the tiger was upset because his stripes changed color. True or false?
False.
What is the correct answer?
False.
Yes, it is false, but why was he upset then?
His stripe is missing.
Very good, Farmis. Very good. Okay, okay. Now the next question is to Abu Tahir. Abu Tahir, can you hear me? No response. Vaiga? Vaiga, you can hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Vaiga, tell me, according to Bruno, who should Tiggy meet? Old woman. Okay, very good, Vaiga. Okay. And the next question is to Heba.
Yes.
Heba, the question is to you. The old lady was wearing a tattered dash. Wearing a tattered dash. Come fill in the blank. What was she wearing? The old lady was wearing a tattered gown. Yes, gown. Very good, very good. Okay, the next question is to Ujjwal. Ujjwal. Ujjwal, what did Tiggy sprinkle on his father? Magic powder. Okay, very good. Annam.
Yes, ma'am.
Annam, the next question is to you. What made the tiger angry?
The tiger stripes are missing.
Were missing. Okay, very good. And Jenicia.
Yes.
Jenicia, what did the old lady know? What did the old lady on the hill know? What did she know? Rida? What did the old lady on the hill know? Magic. Very good, very good. So this was questions from in between the lesson and all of you have been able to answer. Very good, very good. Clap for yourself. So you've all understood the story. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now can we do a crossword? Do you have your textbooks with you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. On page number 6. On page number 6, there is a crossword puzzle. Can you see that?
Yes. Yes.
Those of you who have the textbook can open it. Others, I will share it for you over here. Okay, this is the puzzle.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see it?
Yes.
So can we do this puzzle?
Yes. Yes.
Right. Now I don't want all of you answering together. I cannot hear. One by one. I will call out the names. Okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, the first clue, look for the number 1. Did you find it?
Yes.
Okay, the first one down says, the lady here. Can you see this?
Yes.
The lady wore a dash gown. What gown did she wear? Tattered gown. Very good, very good.
Tattered gown. Tattered gown.
Yes, tattered. Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can write, you can write. Those of you who have the textbook can write. Ananda Krishnan, what are you doing? Okay. Have you written?
No.
Tattered. 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 Finished. Shouldn't take so long. We have written this word and practiced. Yes? They were finished? Okay, can I move to the next? Can I move to the next?
Hello.
Yes? Okay. The next one says, you have to dash the magic powder. Afif? Sprinkle. Very good, very good. So that is 3 down. So 3 is here. Sprinkle. 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 You have to sprinkle the magic powder. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Finish?
No. Finish.
Okay. Now the next clue. The next clue is 5 down. Now where is 5? Here. 5 is here. It says, there was dash in the forest again. Peace. Very good. P-E-A-C-E. Peace. There was peace in the forest again.
Right.
Yes?
Finish.
Okay.
Finish,
Those of you who don't have the textbook, don't worry. I will WhatsApp this picture to you. But please pay attention and look at the answers. Okay. And the next one. 2. 2 across. 2 across is here, just below tattered. Can you see? Below that 1, there is a 2. Yes, that says the old lady on the hill knew dash. Magic.
Magic.
The answer by mistake. M-A-G-I-C, magic. Old lady on the hill knew magic.
Magic.
Yes, Jenicia, what is the confusion? Any confusion? No, okay. Can I move to the next one? Okay, that is 4 across. It says all the animals were dash.
Terrified.
No, this is after the stripes come back. What happens after the stripes come back? All the animals were overjoyed. Very good, very good. Here, overjoyed. O-V-E-R. Joyed. J-O-Y-E-D. Overjoyed. All the animals were overjoyed. Yes? O-V-E-R-J-O-Y-E-D. Overjoyed. Okay? The next one. 6. 6 is here. The long trip was dash. When Tiggy was climbing up the hill, it was, what was it? It was?
Tiring.
It was? Tiring. Very good, very good. T-I-R-I-N is already there. G. Tiring. T-I-R-I-N-G. Tiring. It's okay. I will WhatsApp this picture to you. Don't worry. You can write the answers. Okay, can I move to the next one?
Yes.
One lady's heart ash when Tiggy cried.
Melted.
Very good. Melted. So that is 7 here. M-E. E is already there. L-T-E again. D. Melted. M-E-L-T-E-D. Melted. Okay, and the last one. The tiger's dash were missing. Stripes. Very good. S-T-R-I-E. E is already there. S. Okay?
Yes.
Now we can write the answers here. The first one, the lady wore a tattered gown. You have sprinkle. The magic powder. There was peace. I'm just writing the answers we wrote in the crossword here. Okay?
Sorry, madam.
The old lady on the hill knew magic. all the animals were overjoyed. Overjoyed. The long trip was tiring. The old lady's heart melted. The tiger's stripes were missing. It's the same answers that we have written in the crossword puzzle. We have just fill in the blanks with those words. Okay, have you all finished? Fill in the blanks you can do later. You can do it later. It's okay. As long as you have finished the crossword puzzle, it's okay. Have you finished the crossword puzzle?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I shall. Don't worry if you have not completed. I will send it. I will send the picture through WhatsApp. Who is that? Okay, Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav, my next question is to you. Okay?
Okay,
You have understood the story.
yes, ma'am.
I want you to tell me, Abhinav, what have you learnt from the story? Have you learnt anything from the story?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
One day, all the
No. I just want you in one sentence. In one sentence, tell me, have you learnt anything from the story? Hmm? Is there any good habit or any value that you have learnt from the story?
Yes, ma'am.
it?
35.
Sorry?
35.
No, that is a new word. That is a new word, Abhinav. Okay, wait. I think you've not understood my question. Afif,
Yes.
have you learnt any value or any good habit from the story?
Yes.
What is it?
Help. He help our parents.
Help our parents. Very good, Afif. Wonderful answer. Please give him a big round of applause. Wonderful answer. Abhinav, have you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything else that you have learned other than helping our parents? Is there any other value that you have learned, Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
The child help the parents.
Helping parents is one. Anything else?
He's trying to help. Yes.
What is it? Yes. Somebody said yes.
Ma'am, don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. Okay. Anything else?
Ma'am, don't be angry.
Oh, very good. Not to get angry over everything, right?
Yes,
You should
ma'am.
not be expressing our anger for everything. Is that a value that you have learned?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
how many of you all help your parents at home?
Yeah.
Who helps your parents at home?
Yes. Ma'am.
Aradhya, how do you help?
Ma'am. Cleaning the napkin, right?
Yes, Abhinav, how do you help your parents?
My mother tell everything I will do.
You will do whatever she tells you to do. Very good. Who else helps their parents? Yes. Yes, Anna?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So all of you are wonderful children. Very good, very good. So please continue helping and please continue being good at home. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
That's all for today. Now what I want to tell you is
Bye bye, ma'am.
can we also discuss one question answer? Can we discuss one question answer?
Ma'am, tomorrow see.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So in your textbook, please open your textbook here.
Yes, ma'am.
In your textbook, there are question answers. There are 4 question answers. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
The first question is, what did Bruno ask
Yes, ma'am.
Tiggy to do?
Go to already.
Okay, okay. The answer is correct, but when you're saying an answer, you have to put it in a complete sentence. Okay?
Okay,
The
ma'am.
question is, what did Bruno ask Tiggy to do? So you have to say, Bruno asked Tiggy to meet the old lady who knows magic. Okay? You have to put it in a complete sentence, not just meet the old lady. That's not correct. When you say an answer, you have to put it in a complete sentence. So what is a complete sentence?
Bruno
Bruno asked Tiggy to meet the old lady who knows magic. Okay, that is the way you have to tell the answer now. I will not accept any one-word answers. I want answers in a complete sentence. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is that clear for today?
Yes.
Is that clear for today? Yes, right. Okay, so can we wind up for today?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
meet you next Wednesday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Have a